We have given mixed number and we have to change to decimal. And in this example, first we have to round to tenth and second to the hundredth. So when we need to change fraction to the decimal and we need to round to tenth, we need only 2 digits after decimal point. But when we need to change round to hundredth, we need 3 digits after decimal point. So one more time, when we have to change mixed number to the decimal number, whole number we always copy, and to change fraction to decimal we use division. We divide numerator by denominator. So whole number we leave and we have to divide 11 by 17. So we will use long division. Let me set this. We have divisor 17 and 11 because we cannot put 17 to 11, so we need to write decimal point at extra zeros. Like I said, because we have round to 10th, so we need only 2 zeros, 2 digits after decimal point, but also we need to round to 100th. So it's good to do division, long division to the third place after decimal point because we need to round to the 100th. So we need 3 digits after decimal point. So let's do this. How many times we can put 17 to 11? Like I said, 0. 0 times 17 is 0. Subtraction. So we have 11. What next? We have to take up decimal point exactly in the same column and we take down next digit. So we have 110 divided by 17. So it will be 6. 6 times 17 is 102. Now we have to do subtraction. We need to borrow 1 from 1, so it will be 0, and we have 10 at the end. 10 minus 2 is 8, and we have 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. We don't have to write. So next we have to take down next digit. So we have 80 divided by 17. 4. 4 times 70 is 68, subtraction. 80 minus 68, so we will borrow 1 from 8, so it will be 7 and 10 at the end. 10 minus 8 is 2, 7 minus 6 is 1. What next? We will take down next 0. So we have 120 divided by 17. So it will be 7. 7 times 17 is 119. Subtraction. So it will be 1. But our remainder is different than 0. But like I said, we need to round to 10 and 100. To round to 100, we need only 3 digits after decimal point. So we have already 3 digits. We don't have to do any more long division. To 10, we need only 2. So everything is okay. We don't have to do long division anymore. And let me write our solution, which we get 11 over 17. This is equal 0 decimal point 647 approximately, because we didn't finish long division. And now when we need to round to the 10th, this is first digit after decimal point. We have to check next digit is 4. When we have number less than 5, what we have to do? Nothing. We just change everything after underlying digit to 0. So 4 to 0, 7 to 0. And underlying digits we copy, and everything what we had before we copy. So now when we need our solution round to nearest 10th, what we will have? We have to copy whole number. Don't forget about whole number. So this will be 4, and what we got after decimal point? Only 6. So this is solution when we run to the nearest 10th, and now we need to run to the nearest 100th. So let me rewrite this number one more time. We have 0, 6, 4, 7, 100th. So we need to underline the second digits after decimal point. This is place of 100th. And next we check what we have after our underlying digit is 7. When we have number greater than 5 or equal 5, we have to add 1 to our underlying digits. So what will be? Everything what we have after our underlying digits, we change to 0. And now we have to add 4 plus 1 is 5. And everything what we have before our underlying digits, we have to copy. So what we get when we write to the 100 will be 0.65. But don't forget, we have in this example whole number. Whole number we always copy decimal point, and after decimal point we have 65. This was rounding to the 10th, 4.6. That is rounding to the 100th, 4.65. This is my solution.